Hello everyone and welcome back, Thank you for joining me as we take a look at question 10. This is the last question on our Fermat paper that is going to be worth 5 marks. This is the end of part A. Up next will be part B, as you can see, and each correct answer will be worth 6. So now is a good time. If you haven't tried the remainder of the paper, of course, remember, you can click the very first link in the description, get a copy for yourself. So after this video, try the 10 questions in Part B, or try the last few questions, Part C questions. These are going to be the last 5, they're the harder ones. But try it out now. Practice really does make perfect, and it really helps to figure out what sort of mistakes you make, and where you are slow versus where you are fast on the contest. Okay, but let's actually get through Part A with question 10 here. In the diagram, square PQRS has a side length of 2. Points W, X, Y, and Z are the midpoints of these sides. So they split the sides of 2 in half, and so we get sides of 1 here. And what do we want? What is the ratio of the area of W, X, Y, Z to the area of the big square, PQRS? Well, I know the side length, so I should be able to actually calculate the areas. You don't need to. You can do this question without actually calculating the areas, because we just need the ratio. But they gave us the side length, so why not? So we'll draw a picture there. Alright, so if the side lengths are 2, as I've already said, they split the sides, these midpoints, split the sides into 1s. Now, we're dealing with squares. And so if we look here, we have a nice little isosceles right-angle triangle. You can either use the Pythagorean theorem, or because this triangle comes up a whole lot, you can see that you're going to have a hypotenuse of root 2. So our smaller square has a side length of root 2. So the area of PQRS, the big one, has an area of 4. That's 2 squared. In fact, we'll write it out. We got the time. So 2 squared, which is 4, and WXYZ, that one, you take the side length, which we now know is square root of 2, and again, you square it to find the area, so you get an area of 2. So what order did they want these things in? WXYZ to PQRS, so small to big. So we're looking for a ratio of 2 to 4. But 2 to 4 isn't one of the present answers. One of the nice things about ratios, if you divide both sides by the same number, it's the same thing. I see both of these have a factor of 2, so divide by 2 and you get 1 to 2. That's the ratio. Smaller to bigger, and that's going to be an answer of A. Kind of fitting that our answer to the last question in Part A is A. I wonder if the answer to question number 11, the very first question in Part B, will be B. The only way to find out is to watch the next video, and I'll see you there.